Hello everybody, my name is Melih. I'm editor of the Places Visit Turkey. Right now I'm in the Istiklal Street in Beyoğlu, the most colorful, most lively place in Istanbul, also most famous place in Istanbul. Right now you can see in my back Hafız Mustafa. This place is so famous with in here, famous with desserts, so famous with eat something, and so famous for the if you wanna bring gift for your house. Everybody, right now I will gonna let you know what you can eat, what you can try, what you can see in Hafız Mustafa. Right now I will gonna start. This place is open 24 hour. This dessert place is really open 24 hour. You can find something in here all the day, all the night, all the morning. If you want, you can check their website. You can find in Google what they have, what they don't have. After then me also you can try it. This place is always full. You can see they had 3 floors for the sit and eat some desserts and try some drinks. Also, this place so famous with some desserts. I will gonna let you know other recommends, other comments, other reviews right now. So right now, what they have in here so famous in the menu, I will gonna say you that things. They had so much famous things special for Turkey, like lokum, like dessert. You need to try delight, especially in here. Also, you can take like a gift bag and you can bring your house, give gift for your friends or your family. Especially, you need to, if you will gonna come here, you need to try first the dessert of Turkish delights. Other things, we had also some things like special for Turkey, kazandibi, and you can try with tea, Turkish tea, you can try Turkish tea and ice cream. Also they have one so famous for people are telling to you when people come here, they're eating strawberry cake. If you will gonna come there, if you wanna try, you can try strawberry cake. And I'm just checking, they have also famous in that menu, some bakery things, some coffees like mocha and ice latte, you can try that things. And I'm just seeing other things like cake and other things, but most famous things are delight, strawberry cake, iced tea, ice latte, and ice cream. So everybody, I just want to read about some comments, what tourists write, because I think you know it. In Istiklal Street we have too much tourists, we have too much people from the other countries and other cities. That way I will gonna read what they write to you, what they like, what they don't like. Especially they like the künefe. I didn't told you before, but they had künefe also. If you will gonna try something, you can try künefe. Also they like if you will gonna come there, they're telling to you, we stop by while strolling around Istiklal. The atmosphere is elegant and the dessert selection is truly enticing. The baklava and milk pudding very spatially delicious. The prices are a bit high, but considering and location is quality, they are acceptable. It can get crowded and service can sometimes slow down, but you know, if places are so big and they have too much guests for that place, that way if you will gonna come there, service can be a little slow, but still desserts taste are never gonna change. Yeah. So everybody, I will gonna just read some reviews again in there. If you will gonna try something, I just checked the reviews and I saw Turkish baklava. It's also so famous in Turkey. If you wanna eat some baklava in Turkey, you need to try in there because people are telling Turkish baklava is very light and delicious. And I normally that person who write that comment don't like baklava, but when that person is trying here, this person liked baklava and he came after then first try, he came 2 more times. That way, if you will gonna eat something in here, you need to try baklava also. Hello everybody, right now I just checked one more review and I just wanna let you know what that person write. That person also wanna say to you, they have one more thing like tavuk göğsü. I don't know how I can explain that dessert, but it's also so important and so famous dessert in Turkey. If you will gonna come there, this person write that comment, you need to try tavuk göğsü also. It's like kind of milk thing inside the dessert. but they had also some different things inside this dessert. If you will gonna come there, also you can try that dessert. So everybody, I just wanna check the Google and explain you why they are favorite, when they're open and when they're closed. Actually, they're open 24-hour. I told you before, and they had also you can order if you are living around the Istiklal Street. You can order in here. You can order with your phone, or you can order from website. I'm just checking. They have also Wi-Fi. It's so important for the tourists. And I'm just checking one more things what they have. Yeah, obviously they are famous with many of the desserts, they had so much drinks also. You can try that things. Yeah, also if you wanna pay, you can pay with your card, you can pay with your cash. Also you can pay with your NFC mobile phone. So right now I will gonna show you the place. We will gonna show you the place, what they have around, what they have inside. Yeah.
Tamam, salı günü olur.
Şey diyor, annem bir kız varken diyor. Böyle.
Taksim şeydir.